Ladies and gentlemen, a classic clash. We're having a look at Microsoft Word and Google Docs. We want to know which one of these services is better. Alright, so who doesn't love Microsoft Word? The whole Microsoft suite is powerful, especially when you use them all together, right? But let's focus on Microsoft Word now. So Microsoft Word gives you real-time collaboration. It allows multiple users to work simultaneously, while their AI-powered editor provides intelligent grammar and style suggestions. There's rich formatting tools that streamline the creation of polished, professional documents, all with precision and ease. You also get access to thousands of customizable templates designed for reports, resumes, contracts, business documents, and these are all pre-built designs that save valuable time and ensure consistent professionalism across all of your communications and your deliverables. You can also import templates that you would like to use. You can also connect with Outlook for email attachments, Teams for collaborative editing during your meetings, OneDrive for cloud storage. Basically, this ecosystem integration enhances productivity and makes document sharing effortless across your entire workflow. Now, from business reports to academic papers to legal documents, marketing materials, just notes. Word adapts to every single industry and use case. It's flexible. It makes it pretty much the go-to solution for professionals worldwide. Having a look at some of their advantages over here, we can see over 1.2 billion users worldwide rely on Microsoft Word on a daily basis. All right, they have a desktop version, they have a web version, a mobile version, and it all syncs quickly and easily in real time. They also have the co-authoring with comprehensive version history, which outperforms competitors in real-time teamwork, and their advanced data protection and compliance certificates support sensitive businesses requirements as well. They also have regular AI-powered updates and accessibility, which enhancements maintain world's competitive edge. They also have regular AI-powered updates and accessibility enhancements that maintain Word's competitive edge against all of its competitors. Okay, so if you haven't heard about Google Docs, you must be living under a rock, right? Google Docs have been around forever and it's amazing. So it's revolutionizing how teams can work together by enabling multiple users to edit a single document simultaneously. These changes appear instantly for all participants, eliminating version control issues and enabling seamless teamwork across different locations, time zones, and whatever else is separating you. It has instant visibility, so you can see edits from team members in real time with color-coded cursors showing who's working on the document, where they're working, and it creates a truly collaborative digital workspace. You can leave comments, suggestions, and emoji reactions that are tied to specific text portions, enabling more precise, actionable feedback directly within your document content. It also, of course, has granular permissions, so you can control who can view, comment on, or even edit the document with customizable sharing settings for individuals, groups, or even organizations, maintaining security while enabling your collaboration in your team. It has a bunch of innovative features. It has some building blocks and some AI tools. So Google Docs has evolved beyond just the basic word processing with intelligent building blocks and AI-powered tools that streamline document creation as well as management. These features transform how you, as an individual as well as an organization, organize information and create content. So let's have a look at the first one on the list, meeting notes. So you can insert meeting templates that automatically connect to Google Calendar events, populate them with attendees lists, and also offer structured formats for agenda items and action assignments. Email drafts. You can compose professionally formatted emails directly in Docs with tables and interactive drop-downs, and then you can send it via Gmail integration without actually switching the application. You can also, third on the list, their interactive checklists, create and manage tasks with clickable checkboxes, that track progress directly within your document. This is perfect for project management as well as personal task tracking. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.